Welcome back to another BUC-EE'S construction update. Today is Sunday, February 2nd, 2025.
So today, Sonia, I'll ask you once again, how about those power poles?
They are still in the same position, but they have added new utility poles to reroute that.
Yeah, it looks like there's some real progress today on the utility poles. They're running them along the front of the property, up to the north end of the site, and then all the way to the back. The drone video will show all that, plus the drive-by. So work is underway. That's progress. Probably won't take them too long at this point. There's quite a few new utility poles in the ground. Over on the building site, looks like we're starting to see the beginnings of the foundation, plus a lot of other work going on over there. Location where the fuel tanks are, it's quite a bit of work going on there. Looks like they're getting close to getting that job completed. So they made a lot of progress in the last couple of weeks despite the bad weather. So it's kind of nice to actually bring you a decent update, other than to tell you that not much has changed. This weekend, we took a quick trip to Tennessee, and we stopped at the BUC-EE'S in Richmond, Kentucky, and the one in Sevierville, Tennessee. Got a few pictures while we were there. I'll go ahead and show them to you here. Here's a picture of the sign at the Richmond BUC-EE'S. This is the Valentine's Day display at the Richmond BUC-EE'S. See a bunch of different items here, t-shirts and tumblers, bath bombs. Here's a close-up of the Valentine's Day shirt for BUC-EE'S this year. Here's a close-up look at the front of the Valentine's Day t-shirt. Doing a little bit of construction here at the Richmond BUC-EE'S. This was along the back wall. They also have some construction going on in the center of the store. They also have a lot of signage up at the BUC-EE'S that they now have gift cards available. This corner display is full of Valentine's Day plush BUC-EE'S. Here's a BUC-EE'S Valentine's Day coloring and activity book, along with some BUC-EE'S crayons. Here's a close-up look of the Valentine's Day BUC-EE'S 40-ounce tumbler. Comes from Yukon Outfitters. They also have some construction and remodeling going on at the Sevierville location. Here we got some BUC-EE'S playing cards. Here's a look at one of the entrances to the Sevierville BUC-EE'S at night in the rain. Well, that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these BUC-EE'S construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Bye for now.